So I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the process here for the final sanding. So wet sanding. This is the 3000 grit paper that I just put on here. And it's got an interface pad as well, which is a little soft on it. So moderate speed on this. Nothing like crazy big circles digging and stuff. I've already prepped this out now, so I went through the 1500, went through the 2000, and now the last little bit here is 3000. So when I'm working by myself, obviously, I don't have someone with like the water gun and like spraying the car. So what I like to do is take just a regular sponge. The water's got a little tint of soap in it, right? A little bit of lube. And then just let that drip onto the car. So check this out. See how saturated that is? I got a little foam pad deal there that I kneel on, right? I kind of just let this sit over the car, just like that. And then when I want some water, kind of just tap it, pukes it all on there real nice, but just a quick show just of the 3000. So again, nothing too crazy for the speed. Get the panel wet, and then I'm just tapping like that, and it gets the water down, right? Really always staying away from my edges, the hard edge like that. You'll still burn through with this like nothing. Burn through the clear coat is what I was saying. Kind of just work about a 2-foot section, straight one way, straight the other, and redress it for final finish lengthwise. And then next I'm going to put the polisher down on it. Just thought I'd give you a quick explanation to what goes on with the final sand. So after I cut it down with the wool pad, then once it's all cured and dried, I still like to go over it with a black foam pad. And then this just really gives it a final light cut, really brings out the shine, and then we put our final on top of that. So see if you can tell the difference. So then this will get one more pass with the light blue pad. You'll see me do that in a minute. And then top coat of a cleaner after that. So. Or top coat of a wax, I mean. Now if the pad ever dries out a little bit too much here, I just put a little bit more polish onto it. But we're really just trying to get that final cut going here. Guys, so you saw the blue pad come out. So that is the second phase on this polishing system that I've been using. Pretty good stuff. So no top coat on the car yet. Let's check it out. We'll put some wax on this, you know, eventually, but right now my focus is really going to be just putting the bumpers on, you know, getting the interior back together. Of course, firing up the 394, I freshened up on this. That'll be a fun one, right? But it is, I would say that it is pretty shiny right now. It's going to be more shiny. I'm still a little bit on the fence on whether or not I should do anything with the hood and deck lid of this car. So I didn't touch it, because if I want to put, you know, some pin striping or do some lace work or something across the hood here, it's a pretty cool hood. And, you know, sand it with 800 grit to start and then start laying out my pattern. So that's a to be decided, but really I just want to get the bumpers on this thing and of course the fuel door. And, you know, hopefully be able to take it out. Anyway, I hope that it might have helped showing the sponge trick just to get the water going when you don't have, you know, one of those expensive waterfall deals going for it. And yeah, right on, cool, see ya.